Wow. Welcome to Bobtails. I'm Bob. The plan is get bait, get fish, cook a delicious meal. Let's have a look. Definitely gonna need to get bait. Might as well get set up. So the plan is we're gonna get some ghost crab tonight, and then we're gonna go try to catch bluebone. That's the plan. Just finished setting up. Not bad. I'm getting hungry. Who likes pancakes? Welcome to the kitchen. We are making pancakes. Chuck in some flour, sugar. Too sweet. Right, we want half an egg. Oop. Close enough. Some milk. Alright. Now, whiskey. Once that batter made, get some heat. Nice little stick of butter. Smashing it. Alright, now that butter's nice and melty like. Put a little bit of butter in. Beautiful. Alright. Oh, now that's the color we want. Alright, now butter, big knob. Yeah, that's butter. Sugar, blueberries. Crank that heat up. Alright, now we're just going to bring that down. Try not to stick your finger in it. To see how it's going. Let's build. Let's build. Yeah, that'll be good. What do you reckon? There we have it. Pancakes, strawberry mint salad, and a blueberry caramel. Yum. Oh, that blueberry is where it's at. Something nice and fresh for a pretty hot day like today. I'll probably wait a couple of hours. That camera
is overheating. Alright, finished tucking into this. Wait until it cools down a bit, then we'll go fishing. I got some new lures, but I want to try squid first, because I wouldn't mind cooking up a good feed of squid. Alright. See you when I see ya.
Just punched up the beach. Looks like the wind's going to ease off a little bit on the other side. Start throwing this squid jig. See you there. This is looking squiddy. Getting blown off the face of the planet. I'm hungry. Let's go have some food.
Delicious. Delicious. We ready? That's what we want. Deliciato. Anywho, I'm gonna go get bait and fish later. It's gonna be dark, but yeah, I'll see if I can catch anything, and if I do, I'll see you in the kitchen for a good feed. Or I'll see you in the kitchen for a mega feed. Either way, I'll see you there.
Just taking in this sunset. Pretty magical. Nice. We're on the way now. Let's go get some crabs. These little guys. Chuck them in there. In the bag. Oh. They're everywhere. Look at the size of these ones. Hey? Are you going anywhere, Mr. Rod Holder? Don't think so. Hey. Oh. Check out all these little guys. Just heading back now. Got heaps of crab, no fish. Come on, piss off. Crabs everywhere. Look. Just got back to camp. It is truly going to be something mega. It is pretty late and I've got to get up really early. So let's have a toasty or something. Alright. Let's chuck some more butter in. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, majones. Yeah, seriously large. It's not bad, oh. Toasty. Oh. Alright. Mega. Thanks for watching. I have this and go to bed. I'll be up at 4 in the morning. 4:30. Anywho. See you in the next one. Thanks. Oh. It's even half made. Alright, done it. Couldn't get these guys during the day. Now I can't take 10 steps without buddy having a chance to pick one up. Jesus, look at these guys. Heading back in now. Fast. I'm so hungry. So, bacon and eggs in bread. Yeah, let's go. He's tiny. Hey, then my camera just fell over and he's like, what happened? Where are you at?